Hi everybody, welcome to AutoTecPro, welcome to our channel. Today we are installing 2020 Ford Expedition. The original car comes with the Microsoft Sync version 3 and also 360-degree camera. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the system and introduce our newest version of the 14.4 inches infotainment system. First of all, let's talk about the hardware specification of the system first. The system comes with the 14.4 inches 2K resolution screen. It also comes with the newest generation of Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. What that means? That means it also supports 4G LTE. If you have a SIM card, then you can insert it to the unit and then you can access to the internet without sharing the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. And of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always just share the Wi-Fi from the cell phone and then you can still access to the internet. Other than that, the system also comes with 8GB of the RAM and 128GB of the storage memory. You can also extend the memory by USB up to 512 megabyte. No, actually gigabyte. And also, this system also supports the Microsoft Sync version 3. It comes with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Let's show you how to use it. First of all, as you can see, this is the original climate control. The system actually retains the original climate control. You can control all the temperature from here. You can also control the temperature at the back seat. You can also control the temperature from here. If your car comes with the heat seat and cool seat, you can also control everything right here as well. In order to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, there's two Apple CarPlay right here. One is the original one. As you can see, this is the original Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Another one is from the unit. Okay, first of all, you can just go to Bluetooth here. Bring up the Bluetooth menu of your cell phone and then pair the device name, which is GT6-BT. Okay, pair this one. For the first time, it might take a little bit longer, but once you pair with the unit, every time when you get into the vehicle, you will pair with the car automatically. Now you're done, as you can see. And then now you can go to Car Auto for that wireless Apple CarPlay. This system also supports the newest iPhone. It also supports the iOS 26 as well, as you can see. This is wireless Apple CarPlay. It's very nice right here. And under the wireless support, Apple CarPlay will provide you with the feature of the navigation, phone call, media playback, and many other features as well. And you can also change the wallpaper here as well. If how to change the wallpaper of Apple CarPlay, first of all, go to setting and then you can select all these options right here. However, the wallpaper choices, they're limited, but still looks very nice. It also supports the voice control. How to use the Apple CarPlay voice control? Basically, just hold the icon right here. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 10 degrees Celsius and the low will be 1 degree Celsius.
Or you can say, bring me to the gas station.
One possibility is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over a kilometer to your east.
It's very nice. If you want to go back to the main menu, just select home and then you will bring you back to the main menu right here. This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please feel free to contact us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.